Tired of clunky logins and security headaches? First off, let's get Keycloak ready. You're going to access your Keycloak admin console through your web browser. Navigate to the Clients section to begin configuring your application. Now, create a new client by providing a client ID, which will uniquely identify your HashiCorp application. Select the OpenID Connect client protocol for Oauth compatibility. Then, in the settings, specify the root URL and the valid redirect URL for your HashiCorp application. Next step is to define the client secret, which securely links your HashiCorp application to Keycloak. You'll use this in your HashiCorp configuration later. Also, ensure to note the issuer URI. Lastly, be sure to set up the correct scopes with the client in setup. These settings are critical for secure communication between your application and Keycloak. Moving on to HashiCorp side of things, in your HashiCorp configuration file, specify your authentication method as OIC. Insert the necessary OpenID Connect configurations, including the client ID you set up earlier and the issuer URI from Keycloak. In addition, you'll need the client secret. After configuring your application, when you restart the HashiCorp application, you should be securely redirected to your Keycloak login page. Once authenticated in Keycloak, you'll be granted access to HashiCorp, improving your security and making for a much smoother experience. Boom! Your application is now protected. Enjoy.